Hey, what's up everybody, and welcome back to my shop. Just wanted to share with everyone what I've been working on for the past month or so. This is a 1950 Dodge. I think it's the B series. It's my buddy's truck. He's been sitting on the backside of his property for the past 30 years. He kind of finally decided to pull it out and want to do something with it. So he brought it over to my shop. So we were gonna tear it down and make a hot rod out of it. It's I mean, for sitting in a wash for 30 years, it's actually in pretty decent shape. Everything kind of came apart pretty easy. Definitely gonna have to get some new bed rails there. But you can see all the rat crap everywhere, and definitely had some varmints living in it. But like all these bolts, they just came right out. Nothing was really rusted. I only had to cut one bolt off. Everything else was pretty good. The inside of the floors, I was shocked to see that, everything was still there. And I'm not joking. This thing was probably a foot and a half deep, full of mud, rocks, sticks. I mean, the water would just go through the windows, flow through, and go right out. But they're still there. It's pretty nice to see. Of course, it's all going to get cut out and replaced anyway with new floor pans. But yeah, everything else is pretty clean on the whole truck. I mean, obviously there's some dents that we're going to have to fix, but this right here is about the only body rot that's on the whole truck. Everything else is pretty clean. Going to do a modern suspension, everything like that. Basically like a resto mod. He's wanting to go through it to where he can have it as like a daily driver and actually enjoy driving it. You got a nice little sticker there. That's pretty awesome. But yeah, we'll do a one-piece hood and stuff. But we got lots of plans for it. There's definitely going to be a few episodes coming from this one. I think it's going to be a fun build and have lots of stuff coming. So I hope you guys kick back and enjoy and stay tuned for all the episodes. So let's get this started. Get a good shot of the rat shit.
Get that in there.